Watch me build a landing page for affiliate marketing in just 5 seconds. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that in this video. You may have a little bit of experience with affiliate marketing. You may have bought a guru course and the guru taught you how to build landing pages or funnels or whatever inside of ClickFunnels and all these other complicated tools, and it took you forever. And you're saying there's no way you can do it in 5 seconds. Absolutely no way. I'm fumbling over all this stuff. It takes so long. I have to connect all these different softwares. How can you do it in 5 seconds? I'm going to break it down for you in this video. I'm going to show you and prove to you you can do it in 5 seconds. And I'm going to show you this secret tool that nobody is talking about that allows you to do this. I'm showing it to all of my private clients. Everyone's loving it. And it allows you to skip ahead in your affiliate marketing business, because we know that a lot of times if you're starting off in affiliate marketing, you're a beginner, you're very much tech ignorant, then messing around with these landing page tools, these funnel building tools, website tools, takes really, really long trying to learn that second language. So this tool allows you to skip ahead and just do it all in 5 seconds. Done. Moving on. Let's get making money, okay? Because a lot of times that tech stuff will actually hold you back in your business. So stay tuned. But before I do that, I'm the infamous Joel, and your boss hates me because I show you how to live a life of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. And if you're infamous too, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Now let's go. Now, before we start with how to build the landing page in just 5 seconds, I want to very quickly, I don't want to hold you back and take a lot of time on this, but very quickly define what a landing page is. Because I see a lot of times, if you're a beginner and you're watching this, a lot of times people get confused between what is a website, what is a landing page, what is a sales funnel. Specifically, I'm going to cover what is a landing page versus what is a sales funnel, okay? SF. What are these things? The most important thing to understand here is that in affiliate marketing, you're going to have, you're going to have traffic, okay? These are the little people. We'll call this traffic here, okay? And it's going to go to a landing page, right? And then after that landing page, usually this landing page is what's called an opt-in, okay? Opt-in landing page, where you're going to collect their email address, their name, that sort of thing. And that's going to lead to more landing pages, which sometimes, or sorry, not more landing pages, but more emails, which sometimes then leads to more landing pages. Depends on your strategy, right? So a sales funnel, I'm going to put this up here. A sales funnel is not just one thing. A sales funnel is a series of steps that ultimately leads one of your leads, one of your prospects, one of your potential customers, okay, into a eventual sale where then you make a commission. A sales funnel is a sales process. So it may have a long series of landing pages where the customer or the potential customer ultimately ends up. But a landing page is one thing. It's a standalone, one sheet, one page website. Very simple, okay? Very simple thing where you don't have all of these extra moving parts. What in the affiliate franchise, in my flagship program, which you can find out more about down below, we specialize in helping busy professionals, right? You hear that term all the time in all my ads and stuff. Busy professionals. Why busy professional? Because a lot of times if you're like a college professor, a lawyer, a doctor, things like that, or even a business owner, you don't want to show your face online, right? You don't want to show your face anywhere. You don't want to be associated with anything to do with any affiliate products, because that could mess around with your other profession. So what we do instead is we run ads to one simple landing page, and then that one simple landing page leads to the offer. Okay? It's a very, very simple system. Ads to landing page to offer. That's it. We don't have this long, complicated sales funnel, because really we just want to make all of our money here. Okay? In a very simple process. A lot of what we teach and a lot of what we do is on the ads front. Okay? Now, let's get to the bulk of this video, because you're really concerned with this right here. If you're struggling building landing pages, you're thinking to yourself, okay, but you said you can build a landing page in just 5 seconds. You absolutely can. This takes 5 freaking seconds, okay? You can have a landing page built. It might take even less than that. It's literally one click. Now, let me show you how to do that exactly. Now, this here is the landing page builder that I was talking about. This is called Landerbolt. And you can actually find out more about Landerbolt and sign up for it down below. I have the affiliate link. That is my affiliate link, disclaimer, because I am an affiliate marketer, right? But that is my affiliate link down below this video. There is a 14-day free trial. But beyond that, let me tell you what it does, because this thing is going to shortcut all of your progress, okay, with building your landing page. You can see if I go to the dashboard here, I'm going to click on create new page. And let me show you how simple this freaking thing is, because we've been utilizing it inside of the affiliate franchise. You can see some of the tools that we're using for finding different trending products and things like that. All we're going to do here is we're going to click on a trending product. In this one, I'm going to go with Pure Revive, which is a ClickBank product, okay? And if you're into affiliate marketing or you're just starting, you've probably already heard of ClickBank, okay? ClickBank is one of the biggest affiliate networks out there. It's very beginner friendly. I don't use it very much, but I'm just using this as an example in this video. So what this tool is going to do is it's going to show us some of the successful ads that are already running. I'm going to give you a little secret about running ads as an affiliate marketer. You do not have to reinvent the wheel. All you have to do is find who's already successful running ads, and we just reverse engineer that. We don't straight up copy, but we model what's already working. You can see we can go and visit this the landing page that they are using, this successful marketer that we found right here. So we found the exact page that they are using with their very successful ads already. And so we're going to go and click on create new page, go to universal importer, and all we do is put in the actual URL of that page. That's it, okay? With this tool, Landerbolt, you can literally copy and paste any single landing page you find on the internet anywhere. It could be your competitor, it could be your friend, it could be your grandma. It doesn't matter who it is. You can copy somebody else's page and boom, literally in 5 seconds or less, you can see it populating here. You're gonna have the exact same page as them. Again, you don't want to flat out copy, okay? So you obviously want to edit this just a little bit, tweak it just a little bit for your own product, the thing that you're promoting. But this is a huge, huge shortcut. Imagine coming across a big guru or somebody that's making a bunch of money and all this stuff, and you're kind of envious and you're looking at their funnels and you're looking at their website and their landing page and you're saying, oh my God, I don't have the money to pay a big team to build this big thing, and I don't know how to build this beautiful landing page that they have and all that stuff. So imagine having Landerbolt here, and in just one click, you type in the name of the website, put it all in there. One click, you download and have the exact same page as them. You have skipped ahead in the process, and it's like having a big, $1,000 team build you a website, build you a landing page for you. Very beautiful, already done. You have the exact same one. Now, that being said, disclaimer, I can't, tell everyone to copy. So once you have it, make sure you make some changes. You can see you can edit things around, you can move things around. So make sure that you make changes to the page, change the headline, some of the wording and pictures maybe, but you can definitely move things around, and this makes it a lot easier. If you're a beginning affiliate marketer who's no experience building landing pages, to have it already downloaded and already done for you, and then you just tweak it a little bit, and now you have this beautiful landing page you can use for your affiliate marketing, okay? And there you have it. That's how easy it is. It took literally like 5 seconds to find a competitor, find someone who's already promoting a product that I'm looking to promote, okay? There are various tools. The one that you saw there is called Spy Hero, but there's a bunch of them. You can even do it for free, okay? You can find competitors who are already doing well with a product. You can find, even pages from the company itself and try to kind of model and copy what pages they're using. Because if they're working already, my whole thing, and inside of the affiliate franchise, we teach if someone's already spending thousands and thousands of dollars on ads, they're not doing that because it's not working, okay? So we give you the proper tools, we show you how to find these competitors, and then boom, to build the landing page, freaking 5 seconds. You just saw it there. We can skip so far ahead of having to have any of these tech skills and things like that. This is just one of the many tools that we show people, okay? And we also have a team that goes in and builds everything for you wherever you get stuck, okay? But that's a little side thing, a little, side promotion. But you can get this tool right now, even if you don't use the affiliate franchise, you don't book a call with our team. Get this tool right now. There is an affiliate link down inside of the description underneath this video. Like I said, there's a 14-day free trial, and I believe it's $97 a month after that at the time of this recording, but it's well worth it because it saves you so much time. Every time that you want to start a new campaign and promote some new product, you can just have a landing page in 5 seconds, okay? That being said, I'm the infamous Joel. Watch the other trainings on this channel. Now what you need is traffic. Now that you have your landing page, you need to figure out, how do I get eyeballs on this landing page? Well, there's the big thing, right? There's the whole secret of affiliate marketing. There's TikTok, there's Facebook, there's YouTube, there's ads, there's so many things. I have a ton of training right here on this channel. So make sure you subscribe and go watch all those trainings. I have hours and hours and hours of long, free content, free courses, free stuff on this channel. You don't have to pay a dime, okay? I'm the infamous Joel, and I'm out.